So, how you guys doing today? I discovered using this really helps with the mess. Cut off, a strip. Get a big roll of it for, I think it was like 13 or 14 bucks. Put it down. Any dirt and grease and stuff that gets on the table, it catches it and you just throw it away, I need a new tripod. This thing's getting weak. But today's gonna be the first video of a new project. We're getting started on. It's right here. Poulan 245. We're gonna tear it down and we're gonna port it. I did check the squish on it a while back. It's a big number, or is it? The compression is low. I didn't check the squish on this one. But just looking in there, I bet you it's every bit of 40 thousandths. Just from looking in there. But we're gonna give it a port job. This build is for Simple Man. I'm sure a lot of you know who Simple Man is. I'm doing this one for him. He's done me a lot of help. I'm going to return. I shouldn't even say I'm going to return the favor, just because friends help each other, That's what we do. We do things for each other. So I'm going to pour this all for him. This little Poulan 245. Kind of curious to see what we get into. But, I think it'll be a fun build. Don't you? I was thinking about getting it running first, and then, I decided not to. I'm just going to tear into it, do the whole project, and put it back together and run it. Instead of doing the before and after, I'm just going to run it. It's just because I have a lot of saws, a lot of projects I want to do, and sometimes you just can't. You don't have time to do the before and afters, or I should say, I'd be putting out a video. I don't know. You'd see one saw every other month get completed. It takes a lot of time and footage to do that. So we're not going to go that route on this build. I spent most of the day outside today. Built a swing set for the boys. Nice wooden swing set with a little sliding board and like a deck area to play in, like a clubhouse thing. It was one of those kits that you buy and you put together. A little more complicated than I thought, though. It took almost 5 hours to get it done. Tell you what, though, once I got that thing done, those boys, for hours, all you could hear was them screaming and hollering and playing. They were having a blast. Boy, this flywheel's on here. Holy cow. Yeah. Boy, is it on there. Holy smokes. Come on. Wow. Wow. My puller has like arms that have a bend in them. And they're straightening. Let's just whack the end of this with a hammer and see what happens. There we go. I think. The magnet's holding it up. Or isn't it? Yeah. There we go. Wow, that was on there. I might have to do some work to the starter too. These are a little ugly. That's all right. Where's my 5/16? Where's my 5/16 nut driver? Why is it always the 5/16 that goes missing? It's always that one. We're gonna do this the easy way. We're going to be making some gaskets, I can tell you that. All right. Somebody already bypassed the points. Put an ignition module in. You can see why. They're pretty rough. So maybe we don't need to make that gasket. Condenser's missing, but the rest of the work is there. Well, we got to start on it, but I got to hang it up tonight. I've actually been down here for a while doing some cleaning and all that. I decided to chime in just for a little bit while I got started on this. But next time we'll just we'll be looking at the numbers and everything. So I'm not going to show the whole teardown process. We're just going to tear it down, you know. We'll zip through this one pretty quick, I think. So this should be pretty interesting, though. And this is Texas Chainsaw Massacre saw, the original Leatherface saw. I believe so. The one they used in that movie. And I think Simple Man said he's gonna use a bow bar on this. So we're porting a saw for him to use with a bow bar. I'd love to see it. I guess I did get a bow bar recently. Maybe we'll test it with that. Yeah, I literally just got that bow bar over there. So we might have to test with that one. but it's kind of small. Really won't do this saw justice, like, you know what I mean? Almost need to sink it into big wood to really see what this saw will do. But hey, we're getting there, you know? Till next time, later.